This Christmas, treat your family to a delicious, hearty, and vegetarian lasagna that's perfect for the holiday feast. Here's what you'll need for this festive dish: fresh spinach, ricotta cheese, mozzarella, marinara sauce, lasagna noodles, and a blend of herbs and spices. Start by boiling the lasagna noodles. Then, layer your dish with marinara sauce, followed by spinach, ricotta, and a generous sprinkle of mozzarella. Repeat the layers, making sure each bite is packed with flavor. The creamy ricotta and fresh spinach create the perfect balance. Bake for 30 minutes at 375 degrees Celsius until the top is golden and bubbly. And voila! A perfectly baked, mouth-watering vegetarian lasagna, ready to impress your guests this Christmas. Serve this comforting dish alongside your favorite holiday sides and enjoy a memorable meat-free Christmas dinner. Happy holidays and happy cooking! Don't forget to subscribe for more festive recipes.